Alright, so hold on guys, I'm going to be showing you in this tutorial how you can create your own music streaming and sharing platform. This is awesome and it is mind-blowing. You know how we have your normal Spotify, YouTube Music, Boomplay and Audiomack. So I'm going to show you how to create that platform for free, and trust me, you do not need any coding skill or whatever skill at all. See, I've divided this into 3 sections. The first section is this introduction video you are seeing, and trust me, I have a gift for you at the end of this video, so do well to stick to the end. Second video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up the platform in 30 minutes, and the next video I'll show you how to add your own music and in this platform. Alright, so I'm just going to walk you through this intro video of what this platform is offering and how you can set it up all for free, and it is totally simple. Alright, so basically the first thing first is I just want to show you this platform. It is a streaming service which we just created just to show you how you can make yours and how you can earn and pay from other people and earn so much money from this. Alright, so first thing first, you could go through the platform and it is looking sleek, awesome, and it's looking nice. So if you click on upload, now every user that comes to the platform and do not have an account, they can actually stream music and decide to download. If I play this podcast song, I think this I will pray. If I decide to play it,
I will pray, oh, I will pray. If I don't pray, Satan. I will pray, I will pray.
Alright, so if you don't want to sit down to make mess of you, please do well to stick to the end of this video. That's bad for me. Anyway, so you could see that everything is working where you could see the lyrics of the song. It is available on the platform. You could see recently listening to 2 people have listened to this music. You can actually comment, you could chat, you do a lot of things. All right, so the platform offers users a lot of things, so they could earn points from actually being on the platform, registering for playing a song, commenting, uploading song, a lot of things that the users can be able to earn from this platform. This way you will have people visiting your platform, having thousands of people, and you can generate ads revenue from this. So learning this skill is something you need to do, and trust me, like I said, you don't need any knowledge of coding, you don't need any skill at all. I'm going to show you how to do all of this. So this is what you want to school for. Oh no, don't miss this. All right, so like I said, you could see new music, you could see top music, album, spotlight, playlist, hall of fame, and endpoints. So this was for users to endpoints. They can purchase from the platform, see new events, you see events that are coming up, recent played, and they could actually have your favorites. And also they could download from your platform. If you make the music available for them to download, they'll be able to download them or just decide to stream it. All right, so but all of those downloading and future, they'll have to create an account even to earn money or to earn a point which they could actually use to upgrade to a premium version, or they could just use it to withdraw it depending on what you want as the owner of the platform. All right, basically on this platform, if I just decide to log in, a user can register an account because I actually registered and log in, right? So a user can register an account, you can have an artist register, and you also have your admin panel, which I'll be showing you in a moment. So let's just go and log in into a user account and see how it will look like. So basically this is this user account. Is called a cheap ground. So basically the user can upload music. Now depending on what you want, you can make it available only to upgraded users, the ability to upload music, or you could just make it available to everyone. So basically on this platform, it is available to everyone, anybody can, but I will not advise you to do that. You want to monetize that because you're going to be paying for storage. So basically we have your upgrade, so they can upgrade to premium plan. So for the free plan, they can upload only up to 6 MB of song, and they don't have any other thing, no Pro-Bad, no Spotify song, no download, they're not able to download songs, right? But for the pro plan, you have all of those features, and also they'll be able to create adverts so that other users will be able to see their advert, and they'll be able to generate money also you as the owner and admin of the platform, you could generate money from it. So why don't you want to learn this? So basically, you could see there's 1,000 naira and all of those. You'll be able to set all of this plan and do a lot more from this platform. It is simple, and I know I'm emphasizing on simple because a lot of people will be discouraged and say, this is so big. It is simple. Anybody can do this. So let me not waste much time. All right, so basically you'll be able to set up this is to become an artist, right? And as an artist, you could see all these users uploaded their album, the dashboard, their settings. They'll be able to log out and all of that. So also they'll be able to change their theme from that to lights, right? And from light to dark. So basically every user can as well do that. So basically if I decide to log out, let me cancel this here, and I decide to log out, it will literally take me to the front end of this site where you can explore and listen to music. You could decide to log in. You could actually make it dark or make it brighter depending on the user preference. So I'm going to be showing you the admin panel right away, and I will be telling you what you will get at the end of the second phase of this video tutorial. All right, so let's just go to the admin, and basically this is your admin panel. You will get access to your total song, the total album, total play, total revenue, total users, total artists, total playlist, and total inactive users. You'll be able to do a lot of things from this platform. You'll be able to get your configuration settings, your email, SMS, and all of this. We'll be going through each and every one of them for free. Trust me. When somebody say for free, basically we say terms and conditions apply. It is for free. It's for free. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to do all of this. And you have your payment, so payment, pro, and ads. So this way you'll be able to set ads on your platform and generate money. And like I said, you could create these for anybody. You're able to see the total of people uploading on your site, the events, the stories. It is just so mind-blowing, and it is not something you want to miss anytime. So basically you can see the data is updated every 30 minutes and all. So there's so much you want to do and we could do with this platform. So why don't you just go to my YouTube, get access to the video, watch the first phase before you move to the second phase. And I want to tell you this, if you go right now, you get access to the premium system, right? In the premium system, we're going to be giving you every tool you need to set up this system. We're going to be giving you a heads up and all of that, and we're going to charge you a very small amount of money for the script for this. It is very small. It is not compared to anything any other person is going to be paying. All right, so for this I'm going to be telling you have to be the first among the first 20 people. Go to YouTube, watch the first phase of the video where I'll be showing you how to install the system and how to build the system. It is easy, it is simple. I'm going to show you how to install the system and how to use the system. Like I said, it is totally for free. I'm not charging you for anything. The only commission we're going to be collecting is for the script, which is little or nothing. At the end of the day, if you're among the first 20 people will charge you totally nothing. So why are you wasting your time? Do well. If you're seeing this on TikTok, do well to follow me for more content like this. If you're not seeing this on TikTok, in my YouTube, go to my YouTube channel, do well to subscribe. First you have to subscribe, you have to comment, you have to like, then do well to share, then send us a message on WhatsApp, and we'll be giving you access to this premium this whole stuff, right? We're going to be giving the first 20 people for free. You are paying nothing. So why waste your time when you can start? Wow, that's so much. Anyway, that's so much, Russ. I just wanted to get this skill. It's something that's going to help you at the end of the day. We're not going to charge you. It's totally free for the first 20. It's going to be free, so do well to try to be the first 20 people. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, to comment, and to share. Then send us a message and you get access to it. Like I said, the first phase is totally free, but the second phase you have to be part of the first 20, first 50 people. Don't be scared, you are already part. It's not like a lot of people are actually viewing this video right now, so reach out to me. Do well to do that, and go and watch the video on how to install this system. It's totally free and get access to it. Thank you, and I'll catch you in the next video. And I have other things, premium offers, like you get a lot of access. This one is special for you. Yeah, you that are listening to me, you will really get a lot. I have so many ways to make you a millionaire by creating any kind of website, and trust me, you want to get that premium offer. But that one is totally free, paid, right? Totally paid. But for now, focus on this and get it right. Thank you, and I hope this helps. Alright, so welcome back. Like I promised you, I'm going to be showing you how to create this awesome music streaming and sharing website. And basically, like I said, you don't need any prior knowledge of coding, programming. You don't need to be skilled at anything to be able to do this. Virtually anybody can do it, right? If you already have a knowledge on WordPress and how to buy domain and all, a good point for you. If not, you can as well do this. I'll put certain this video in the description to direct you. All right, so what I want to show you is I'm going to show you how we built the site and how we use what we call scripts, right? Script is like an already written code to come to build such an amazing website like this. Over the preview video has actually showed you a lot of what this site can do and how one can actually enjoy your experience through this site. And you could see, like I already said, you could do a lot of things and all. So not to waste your time, I'm going to go right into this. So the first thing you want to do is, so we're going to be using Namecheap to build this site and to host it, right? So the first thing you want to do is you need to buy a hosting plan and a domain name on Namecheap account. And if you don't know how to do this, I'll put a video in the description. Please do well to just go to the video, watch it, and get a accurate knowledge on how to buy a domain name and a hosting plan, and you come back to follow this video on how to install the script, and we'll go into all the aspect of the video. But if you do not, if you know you don't have the money to go about that, I'll just show you the process so you could see how simple and fast we will be able to do this, right? Then if you know you're actually skilled, you can as well just go right and follow the step by step process. So the first thing you want to do is, after you've created your account and you've gotten your domain, you want to sign into your account. You want to sign into your account. All right, so you want to make sure to locate where you have your cPanel. So you're going to be going to cPanel. So in case you're using any other hosting company, this is Namecheap. If you're using GoDaddy, Bluehost, HostGator, or Ugos, any hosting company, just make sure to navigate to your cPanel. I think for HostGator, we have what we call the hPanel, right? So basically, just follow the few things I'll be showing you to do. So try to go to your file manager, which you also have on any other hosting, right? Go to your file manager, and for me, I'm going to be using a subdomain, right? I'm not going to be using a domain name. So if you're going to be using a domain name, then you go to public underscore HTML. But I'm going to be using a subdomain. So if you're using a domain name, do well to click on public underscore HTML. You'll get an empty place like this, or probably you probably may have some things you want to make sure to delete everything. So just click on it and click on delete at the top here. All right, so I have a whole website on my main file, so I can't use that. The next thing is we're going to be importing the script we're going to use for this website. All right, so I'll just click on upload, and I'm going to be selecting the script. So I created a file for this. All right, so basically I'm just going to copy, click on the script there, and we'll allow this to load up. It I think it's 82.51 MB. So while we wait for it to load up to 100%, we'll go into creating what we call the database and the data user, which we'll be using in the process. So this, like I said, all the process are simple, so make sure to navigate back to the cPanel at this side, and here you want to type data. All right, so are you going to type my SQL? So I'm just going to click on this here. So for your database, you want to make sure to use numbers, okay, as the name. So we're going to be creating the name. Use this number, click on create, then we'll go back. Then use a different number. I'm using 3 numbers. So you go down on the username, add the user. So what we created first was the database name. And you see how all of this would be useful. So you can actually choose a password here. Okay, I actually got this one. But what you could do also, you could just click on password generator, generate your password, click on I have copied, then click on use password, and it will appear. Make sure to copy this password and keep it safe. You will need it. So I'm just going to cancel it, and I'm just going to use the password I already saved. Then I click on create. Alright, so after you've successfully created both the database and the database user, what we want to do is to connect both the database and the database user and give them full access and full privilege to the database. Alright, so you're going to give the database user you've created full access and privilege to this database. And before we do that, let's go back and check how far. So we've already gotten 100%, but I'll be back. Let me just make sure to grant it full access. So you want to go down and click on add user to database, and this is the database user we created, the digits, and this is the database. So you want to click on add, then click on all privileges and go down and click make changes. Now you've successfully done that. Another thing you want to do is you want to go back here and click on back, and you're going to right click and click on extract, then extract files. So give it some time, it's going to extract all the files that we'll be needing for the project. So all files have been successfully extracted. So click on close. Now you want to go to your main domain and just type in your domain. I'll be typing in my subdomain and put slash install at the end and click on enter. So it's going to bring up the installation guide. All right. So make sure to accept terms and condition, agree, click on continue. The next thing is you want to make sure that all you have all the requirements, okay, requirements needed. So once it's all green, it means you do have all of them. If not, you want to make sure to go configure all of that in your cPanel. So you want to click on next here. Now I'm going to put in the purchase code. Then your host name should be localhost, right? Then your username. So remember the username, all right? So to locate your username, basically we just have to go back here and you can see our user here. Let's just bring this closer and put this here. Then the password is the one I told you to keep safe. I told you you'll be needing it. And here we go. Lastly, you want to put your database. So do not forget, it must your host SQL host name is localhost. SQL username is what we created. Password, you've got it. Then this. So it will automatically generate your website URL, so make sure to just leave that. You want to give your site a name. So we're going to be going with C Flight Music, then site title, probably a motto or something. So it's an official email. So basically, we have this and all of this. So make sure you put a working email. It's really important. You'll be getting notification on the users and who has joined your website, who is playing music and all of that, and all more information on that. So lastly, you want to create a username and admin password. So an admin username and admin password, which will give you access to the admin backend, which will be used to which you can use to control everything every person sees and do a lot more, right? So the first thing first is I want to okay, going to use this. Try to make sure that you do not use the same password, right? You do not use the same password. So basically, access denied. So what we have here is I think we have an issue with the password. I missed the password. I think this should be here. This should be here, right? And this last part should be here. So it's important to get the password right unless you may be like me. Alright, so successfully. So what you want to click on is you want to click on get started at this edge here. Make sure it's at the edge here. And voila, we have our own music streaming website. It is this simple to install, it is this simple to have. So you want to make sure to remove this cover from the link here and just click on enter. You'll be able to access the main page, right? So this is the front page every user is going to see. So basically, I'm just going to show you how to log in. So click on login and remember the details we created. So just input that details here and click on login. So I got the wrong details. That's my password. Alright, so you can see that if you make this type of mistake to forget your password, it can be something. And basically, if you don't remember the password for the admin, you have to start the whole installation process all from the beginning. And so, like I told you, it is very important that you hold your password closely and that you keep it safe. Alright, so that you don't forget it. Now, I'm going to be using my email address as my username. Then I'm going to input the password because this password is not the right thing because this is really important. So I'm just going to click on login again and eventually I have access, right? So basically this is going to be the admin, all right, and it's active. Now the admin is differentiated into two parts, right? So basically we have the admin access to basically everything every other user will have access to, right? So the music, new music. So you can see discover feed, new music, top music, album, spotlight, gens, playlist, hall of fame, endpoint, browse, purchase, events, recent, and all of those things, right? This is basically what every other user will have access to, and every other user basically who can upload music, right? Can import. Now, all of these you can restrict to payments so that they can upgrade and all of that. So everything I showed you in the intro video, we are going to go through how to set them up. Yeah, so all of the things you see in the intro video, we had music in the platform, people could register, people could upgrade, could buy, and all of those stuff. All of those things you could do it. And in order to get access to the main admin, what you have to do is come here and you see admin panel, you click on it. And it gives you full, and you can see that this gives you full access to the whole dashboard. You could see the total song and all of those stuff. So basically this video is divided into two sections. So the first class is just the installation process, having all of the system installed on your server. Now the next class we're going to be going into in a moment, we're going to talk about every all of the each and every one of these and how to set them up. So we're going to take them step by step. All right, so basically, this is the first video I'm going to be pushing out there. You probably may see two of them together, but if you are the first person to like this video, comment, subscribe, and share. Just send me a message. Once you do that, I am going to be giving you free access to the premium class where I'm going to hold your hands and I'm going to show you how you can set up all of this. All right, so it's going to be a free pass. You have access to all of the videos, and I'm just going to collect little or nothing for the script. So you'll be able to do this and many other systems and websites which I have access to. I'll be giving those access to you. So don't forget to click the link to subscribe, or what am I saying? Don't forget to subscribe, right? Don't forget to comment, um, share to as much people as possible. Then send me a message. I get your pass. So I'm going to be giving this free pass to the first 20 people. So do not waste any time. Just go ahead, subscribe, send me a message, and be part of those people. So in the next video, I'm going to show you all of this and how to set them up, and I'm going to be giving you this script. So I don't think you want to waste any moment. Just reach out to me after you've done the commenting, the liking, the sharing, and the subscribing. All right, thank you so much. I hope this video helped you. If you already have the script, this is basically how to install. If you don't have it and you want to go in depth into all of this work, into having your own website that does this, I'm going to be giving you the next video for free. So just do well to reach out to me. Do it after you've done the process. So basically, this is the one I built. So you could actually hear that there are music here. So basically, if you go to music, you could see we have artists here and all. So this person is not logged in. All right. So if the person was logged in, the person will have full access to all of this and be able to upgrade. So thank you and have a nice day. And I hope this video meets you well. And I hope you take that action. My name is Matthew and this is the Fly Studio. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.